Let's now work out this nice equation. So 7 plus 8 multiplied by 4 minus 4. So we start 7 plus 8, that is here, that is 15. So now we shall now have our 15 multiplied by 4, then minus 4. Then from here now 15 multiplied by 4, the answer is 20. Then here, so that is now 20 minus 4. So 20 minus 4, the result is 16. So you might find this answer as the correct one, but this answer is wrong. So which answer did you get? If you get your answer 16, you did not work it out the way it is expected. So for us now to work it out properly, let's now start with the solution. So on our solution, we are having 7 plus 8, then multiplied by 4 minus 4. So for us now to work it out correctly, we are going to make use of what is called the PEMDAS. So PEMDAS is a trick of working out the mixed operation of numbers, or we can also talk about the BODMAS. So putting this one into consideration, we are going to start with working out the value for the multiplication sign. That is 8 multiplied by 4. So that means that now we shall going to start with 7 plus, so 8 multiplied by 4, we shall get it as 32, then 32 minus 4. So we don't rush by working out 32 minus 4, but we simply start with working out the addition after multiplication. That is 7 plus 32. So 7 plus 32, that is 39, then 39 minus 4. So here now we shall now work out this subtraction, and then 39 minus 4, so our final answer is 35. So this one now qualifies to be our correct answer instead of 16, which we got initially. So that is how we work out these maths problems.